Right now, a video on YouTube is pulling 9,000 views a day. It went up 24 hours ago. The channel behind it has 21,000 subscribers, and nothing else it posted has ever moved like this. So why is this one running 8 times faster? It landed on a niche before the crowd did. The niche is vox animation. Blocky voxel characters, Minecraft geometry, cinematic camera. Almost nobody is making it yet. When a niche is new, the algorithm has nothing to compare you against. No established channels, no crowded search results. Your video stops competing and starts defining the category. That window shuts in 2 or 3 weeks. So use it. Step 1. Write a story, not a scene. Voxel visuals cost nothing now, so your bottleneck move to narrative. 6 beats. Setup, problem, escalation, twist, resolution, tag. Keep it under 90 seconds. Step 2. Build your character sheet before you generate a single shot. 1 character, front, side, 3/4. Every later shot points back to that sheet. Skip it, and your character drifts between shots, and that drift is what makes AI animation look cheap. Step 3. Work shot by shot. 1 camera move each, push in or orbit, never both. Ask for 2 moves and 1 prompt, and the model loses the thread. Step 4. Chain your clips by frame. The last frame of one shot becomes the first frame of the next, and the model fills the gap. Done right, you stop seeing the cut. Step 5. Sound comes last and carries the most weight. Voxel visuals are flat by design. Lay 1 ambient bed, drop 3 hard effects, and put nothing under the dialogue. That is the whole workflow, free tool start to finish. You need no subscription and no animation background. One more thing, and it matters more than the workflow. This niche will not stay valuable. It is a window and windows close. In 3 weeks, it fills up, and whoever arrives then fights for scraps. What holds its value is knowing how to spot the next window. Watch views per day instead of total views. Compare a video against its own channel average, never against the whole platform. When something outruns its own baseline 5 times over inside a week, a window just opened. That is how I found this one. Give me a few days, and I will hand you the next.